clearing and cleaning your Vogel crystal. It's important to remember that Vogel crystals respond to your intentions. So therefore, create a ritual to focus your intentions and to keep out any other extraneous thoughts and feelings. In the context of a ritual, use at least one or more elements. For example, if you use fire, you can imagine gold light or fire or pearlescent white light streaming through the crystal, clearing and cleaning the molecular structure. If you're using water, you can place it into clean, clear, pure water in a sacred vessel. You can put sand in that water, you can put minerals, you can put salt to help clear and purify that crystal. If you're using air, you can take your finger and brush every one of the facets, blowing into those facets with the intention of clearing each one of those, like. And if you're using the element of earth, you can bury the crystal or take sacred earth, bury the crystal in that context. And the crystal can also respond to sound. So if you have a mantra, if you simply ask the crystal and talk to the crystal about cleaning and clearing, that will help as well. So use your imagination, go into a meditative state and ask the crystal and ask your own subconscious so you can incorporate any of these techniques and any of these elements. Be creative in your process. Let it come from within, from your own creativity.